I am Neha. Welcome to leg stretches for flexibility routine. It's good idea to warm up your muscles as part of your exercise routine. Muscles that are not properly warm up are at higher risk of injury. This can be easily accomplished with a light and active warm up such as dynamic stretching. Let's start. Take a right leg on squat position and hold it for 10 seconds. Take a right leg on a squat position and hold and move the body on the right side and hold it. And same repeat on the left side. Keep your body straight, chest out, knee straight, touch your head to knee. Same repeat on other side. Keep your legs straight on heel, body straight, chest out and touch your head to knee. Same repeat on other side. Stand with your legs turned out a little wider than shoulder width apart. Bend your right knee and squat down on the right side while extending your left leg straight out to your side. Point your toes on the left foot. Same repeat on other side. Kneel on your left knee. Place your foot flat on the floor in front of you and stretch your hip. Switch sides and repeat. Take a big step forward with your left foot so that you are in a staggered stance. Bend your left knee and drop into a huge, keeping your right leg straight behind you with your toe on the ground so you feel a stretch at front of your right thigh. Switch sides and repeat. Sit on a knee, stretch your left leg and touch your head to the knee. Do not bend the knees. Switch sides and repeat. Take a right leg, sit on a knee and keep your left leg on 90 degree. Keep the hand similar. Take a right leg up and touch your hand to toe and stretch your hip. Switch sides and repeat. Keep your body straight and open the full stretch. Take a right leg and fold it. Sit upright with your legs bent and the soles of your feet together. Pull your heels in towards you. Relax your hips, allowing your knees to fall towards the floor. Hold on to your ankles. Spread the leg and bend the body towards the legs and stretch and hold it. Spread the leg and open the middle stretch. Touch the body and the hand to the floor. And move your body to the right side. And then left side. Side split in advance. Take a chair, keep the left leg on a chair and right leg on the floor and body lean towards the back and stretch the hips. Middle advanced stretch. Thank you guys for watching my video. Follow this routine and improve your flexibility. Hope you like it guys. Thank you.